Hey everybody, today I'm getting more street food. This is kind of a like between lunch and dinner time snack, and today I ordered basically the rice noodle, the rice street noodles or street rice noodles, whatever you want to call them. But I think he just got here because he's still setting up, but he says he's ready to go. So once he gets prepping it, I'll give you guys a look. So yeah, this is right outside where I live, the neighborhood or housing complex, whatever you want to call it. And they just have some food carts set up. And there's not so many as on that other street around the corner, but there's some students. But there's like the coconut milk stand right there. Bing, which I showed you guys in another video, and then this is just where I'm at now at Street Noodles. But yeah, I'm still waiting for him to get started. Okay, so he's getting ready now. He's got the flame going. So what you just put in there was carrots and slimes high, and then, you know, the egg you saw, and then also some pork. And he's putting some seasoning in there and salt. And these are the noodles I'm getting, which are the thin rice noodles.什么？你这么高，你站在那里被那个烟给糊脸，你不难受吗？什么意思？啊，听不懂吗？坏了，坏了，坏了。These students are asking me crazy questions. I don't understand what they're saying. 我会说，但是你们刚刚不会说英文，你们刚刚说中文。那说英文告诉我他的意思。可以。Then he put some special, like some sour cabbage or something in there just as a side, as an extra treat. But yeah, that's the noodles. These students over here distracted me. I still don't know what they were saying. It was something about, I'll have to ask them, but yeah, that's it. Let me get this paid. I'll let you guys know how much it is. Okay, so I just got my noodles. I'm gonna go over here and eat them. But yeah, I figured out what those students were saying. I guess when that guy was cooking the noodles, there was smoke drifting into my face, and they were asking me if I was uncomfortable because of that, but I didn't even notice it. But yeah, I'm gonna eat the noodles. It costs like 10 RMB, which is about $1.40. And then this video is not done because I'm gonna get dessert to eat for after the real dinner, and I'll show you what that is. Okay, then for dessert, I'm gonna go over here and get one of these Oreo cakes. Huh?
它是有草莓的，你起来呀！站在这里呀，告诉叔哪个好吃啊？
是阿里奥吗？
啊，奥利奥。
好
不好吃？你最喜欢吃哪个味？奥利奥。
I do one. So yeah, we're gonna get an Oreo one of these Oreo cake things and try it. And I'm gonna see if it's as good as my Aunt Pam's Oreo ice cream that she makes. So yeah, she's gonna get this bagged up. And I'll let you guys know how much it is. So that concludes this video of showing you guys the street noodles and that little Oreo cake thing that I just bought. I'll let you guys know in a later video how the Oreo cake tasted, because I won't get around it. I won't get around to it quick enough to put on this video. But I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time.